Hi, welcome to my channel. It's My with Miss Wagashi TV. Today, I will show you how to make wagashi sweets for Easter celebrations. First, I will make a yellow dough. Add a little yellow food coloring to the dough and knead it until the color is uniform. For the dough recipe, please go to the link in the description. In addition to the colored dough, I'm gonna use a red bean paste as a filling. Place the filling on the center and wrap the filling in the yellow dough. Shape the dough into an oval in between the palms and then wrap the dough in a cotton cloth. Pinch both sides of the dough. Attach eyes on both sides. Now, I will make an Easter egg. Add red food coloring to the dough and make a pink dough. Flatten the dough and wrap the filling in the dough. Take a round stick and make some indents on the surface. Take a small amount of white dough and push into the indents. Shape the dough into an egg shape in between the palms. Let's serve the egg next to the Easter chick. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. See you in my next video. Bye bye.